Based on what we know now about API3 prices, they will go up by 210.24% and hit $10.59 by the end of 2026. The Fear and Greed Index is reading 28.22, which means there is a lot of fear in the market. All other technical signs show that the mood is bullish. Based on our prediction, now is a good time to buy API3. A lot of technical analysis indicators showed bullish signs on January 30, 2024, while some showed bearish signals. This showed that most people who predicted the price of API3 thought it would go up. You can find out how much API3 is worth in the months and years to come by looking at the exact price estimate below. API3 has gone up by 41.06% in the last 30 days. Because of this, we can expect a small improvement in the next month. The price of API3 went up by 113.64% by the end of January and was close to $6.21. At the moment, all the signs point to a bullish zone, and the fear and greed measure shows that there are 28.22 extreme fears. Our prediction says that now is not the right time to buy API3. API3 is trading below the 200-day simple moving average right now. Since December 31, 2024, 326 days ago, SMA has shown an API3 buying signal. Right now, the price of API3 is less than its 50-day simple moving average, SMA, which is a sign to buy. All economic signs point to the 200-day SMA going down soon. By the end of December, the price will reach $1.35. The short-term 50-day SMA for API3 shows a $1.86 by December 2024-2025. A common way to tell if a coin is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70, is with the Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator. RSI is at RSI value right now. In this case, it means that the API3 market is not going up or down. API3 is now worth $3.04, which is $1.80 more than it was 3 months ago, 145.02%. As the market improves over the next 12 months, API3 is expected to grow a lot. With a score of 56 out of 100, API3 is currently showing no clear signs. It is thought that the price of API3 will go up to $5.47 by the end of 2023. In the last 24 hours, API3's price has gone up by 2.8%. After going through a bear market, API3 has seen a lot of growth over the past year. API3 is likely to hit a high point of $11.54 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. Due to the bullish time API3 has been in, investors have seen returns of over 31.11% on their money this past week. When we look at the technical signs for API3, we think that there might be a small correction in the next few days.